So today I'm in the kitchen with Willow and Mom. We are actually doing a different type of video. I'm going to be doing a recipe video for a French pastry. They're called macaroons, and they look kind of like Oreos in America, but like they're like actual pastries. So yeah, this is gonna be like a tutorial. And then what?
Let's tell them I need a pen or a pencil. So.
Okay. They might not be so accurate because we're in the US and like this is only our second time doing this, and the only reason why I say we're in the US and stuff and like that might be random, but they're all the way from France, like the macaroon cookie, so we're not used to really making these because I made them on Easter and that was about it. So yeah, I'm gonna have Mom talk for this next part and then I'll do time lapse. So
Hi guys. You don't really need to see my face. Hi. Okay. First thing, macaroons are very difficult to make. You have to follow but we Googled an easy macaroon recipe.
Unless you're like a French baker.
Yes, and Lordy knows we are not French bakers, but we are going to try to make this easy recipe that we've already made once. They didn't look exactly like macaroons, but they were delicioso to eat. They were really good.
Well, the reason why they didn't look identical was because they turned out kind of flat.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make them smaller this time to see if it resolves.
And I read and I learned a quick tip. After we put them on the pan, before we put them in the oven, they need to sit for about 15 minutes to settle and rise a little bit. And that might solve that problem.
Okay.
First, you've got to get a,
And while Mom's like stirring up stuff, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse.
well, I'm gonna sieve. First, you're gonna make sure you sieve your flour and your sugars to make sure it's very fine.
And what kind of flour do we use?
Oh my goodness,
Tell
this
them
is
the
it.
ingredients.
This is how it all began. We wanted macaroons last weekend, so Willow here Googled Andy's Flour Power, and we found out they're like $32 a dozen. So I thought we'll just make them, huh?
By the way, if you live in the US like us, these ingredients are probably going to be a little bit hard to find. Just warning y'all. And if any of y'all are from France, please give us some macaroon making tips. Y'all, we could totally use those because I love these things. Like, I could eat them all day and all night. Like, they are so good. Yes, girl, so good.
Okay, excuse me. I need to fill them in on something. First of all, we got most of the ingredients at Walmart, but you use your sieve. You want to sieve it. There's going to be some little balls left in the bottom that are like too thick to go through the sieve. You want to toss those. Don't put them in your combination. You want perfectly sieved a cup of confectioner's sugar because they're very sweet.
And
I'm sorry.
confectioner sugar might be hard to find.
No, baby, they have that everywhere.
Oh,
It's called powdered sugar. They have it everywhere.
Oh.
What they don't have everywhere is almond flour.
Oh.
This is why, what I was going to say, when she called this place to get some, they were $32. I said, well, make some. Well, we discovered why they're so expensive. Because almond flour, this bag of flour costs about $13.
Oh, I got the confectioner sugar and almond flour.
Yes, well, that's okay.
And
Be careful, make the same size.
and we're gonna be doing.
Willow is busy making some circles on the wax paper so that I'll know exactly how much to put on the.
And what was I gonna say? I don't even know.
Just gonna dig my cup down in here and get another 1 cup of.
This is kind of cool, y'all, because y'all haven't really seen my mom much. Like, you've seen her in, like, help us with changing videos.
Like, I love my videos too.
Yeah, and I love Lucy, but I don't really know about anything else. But whenever you get ready to like mix stuff and blend stuff, Mom, just go ahead and pause, and I'll put it on time lapse. Okay?
Okay, I don't know what that means, but okay. I know what pause means.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to do an even amount of those so that we can, you'll have a top and a bottom. But first we're gonna cook. Well, yeah, you want to do about, how many did we make last time? You want to fill up the whole thing.
Because I'm doing like.
Yeah, don't leave too much. Well, you can leave some in between. Yeah.
And
You don't have to really use that much because we're gonna need more space on there for the cookies. Like
I
there.
haven't been daily.
Like there. That's good. That's good. Yeah, just like that.
I haven't been daily vlogging. I posted a video and said I was going to start. But the reason why is my GoPro doesn't work. So we have to post it on Facebook buy and sell. And I'm gonna get a vlogging camera. So once I do, I'll be doing these kinds of videos, but also like daily vlogging videos. And I know I used to vlog on my phone every day, but honestly, y'all, that was a struggle. And I was counting back to how long I've had this channel, and it's absolutely crazy. I've had it since the right beginning of my 4th grade year, and like,
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm in middle school now. I'm a 6th grader. It's crazy.
2.5 years.
Yeah, and maybe soon I'll have to. 'Cause I can't remember the exact date that I started this channel up, but maybe soon I'll just, in celebration of it, I'll do like a reacting to my old vlog video because
That'll be fun. I want to be part of that.
yeah, because I'm about to get a vlogging camera, so the quality of it is going to be so much better, and I'm so excited to be able to talk to you guys every single day, and it's going to be so much
Okay. Do you want to time lapse it
yeah,
or something?
we'll be done. Before we time lapse it, we thought to explain what the next steps are going to be. And Mom was reading from the tablet. So what are you gonna do next?
Okay, the next thing we have to do is prepare our egg batter mixture, which is very crucial that you do that the correct way.
Oh, and before you actually start baking, let your egg whites sit out. Oh, get some egg whites and let them sit out. They have to be room temperature, what this recipe said. And to get this exact recipe, all you have to do is Google easy macaroon recipe. So yeah, I've time-lapsed this so y'all can see her.
I have room temperature egg whites, 2 of them. You need to mix these until they come to a stiff point. Like you could hold it over your head and it wouldn't fall out. Literally, that's what they say. You add a pinch of salt, and then also, this right here is another kind of random thing they ask for. Wait, that's the wrong stuff. I was about to add the wrong stuff and mess up the whole thing. Woo! Good thing I checked myself. Okay, this is fine sugar. It's regular sugar, pure cane sugar, but it's fine. It needs to be fine sugar for this. And you're gonna use a 1/4 cup in that and mix it together with a pinch of salt. And I'm done explaining. That's when you can add in your food coloring. This looks super dark, it's purple, but it'll be lighter once I add this in. This is the sugar and almond mixture. You want to add about half of it in, and this is the part that's important.
You want to put both mixtures in 2 separate bowls until this part.
Yes, 2 separate bowls. Then you, I don't know what it's called. stir it, but you're not really stirring it. You're more like folding it. That's what they call it, folding it.
They said in the recipe it's like overlapping.
Yes, you overlap it gently together like this. You overlap it from the outside to the inside. There you go. Good job. Good for you there. So you go around the outside and overlap it. I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of mine. This recipe is enough to make, I think, how many did we make last time? About 10 macaroons. That doesn't sound like many, but they're so scrumptious. If this turns out well, which it will, because the last one did. See how I'm folding it together, not just stirring it?
No, the last time we didn't know the 15-minute train will be about for 15 minutes before you bake them to let it rise. So this will, I think these are going to be better. Hi, Lizzie.
I think they're going to be delicioso.
Listen, from unit, we're done.
Want to be in it again?
Lucy's already
Lizzie,
is that what you're saying?
I love you. I love you, love bug.
Well, I had her. Thank you for the kisses. Thank you.
Ah, so thank you, but I miss you.
I put her in it while we were doing
You
the
did
timeline.
sweet puppy.
Okay, now, what we want to do you want to show them the circles you created?
Yes, I created 4, 8, 12, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
No, 19.
19 circles.
Did she did you separate them from her?
Yes.
Since we're going to make them a lot smaller this time. It's so big and we're going to stick to you. Because remember how I was in a big hurry. We made these on Easter to take to my sister-in-law's house.
Yeah.
And instead of taking them, we ate them all.
That's not the best. And as far as like actually baking them goes, you bake it for 7 minutes and then you open the oven. That's the word. Oven door to let the steam out. Or what's that called? Steam.
Yeah, like the steam that's in the oven, let it out. And then close it, cook it for 7
And
minutes.
then you close it. And
You remember.
And you cook it for 7 more minutes. Girl, I love me some macaroni.
She does.
Of course, I'm gonna remember the recipe.
Lizzie. Lizzie.
She loves her some macaroni.
Lizzie.
I mean, anywhere we go, I want it.
But
I never realized mine are better than any I've ever had bought from her.
the thing is, where we live, there's not places at all that sell them.
Because we live in the redneck Riviera, is what they call it. That is of this whole region. This whole region is known as that.
Oh, the region that we live in.
Yeah, it is.
I did not know that.
It's not really. It's changed a lot, grown a lot, but it used to be, for instance.
That's not like the city, it's like the state.
Yeah.
So like, here, Disney World, well like, Disney World and Universal are in the same city. And like, we went to Universal Boardwalk for the, Chocolate Emporium. And in the Chocolate Emporium, that's where they sell them. And those are the only store-bought ones I've had, except for some really stinky, well, not
Publix ones.
stinky,
Those were terrible.
you know, like bad Publix ones that they do for Valentine's
They
Day.
were unedible.
And
They were a disgrace.
They were hard as a rock. I could not even eat them.
I think it's honestly because of how like what's that called? Because they weren't fresh. They like got shipped.
Yeah, they weren't fresh. They were just terrible. They didn't even have a lot of flavor, guys.
And see, macaroons, whenever you bite into them, are supposed to kind of fall apart in your mouth, like
Okay. Yeah, exactly. Okay, I'm gonna make some smaller ones this time.